We got the Yamaha VStar 650. This is an 06 model. And take a trip with me down here under the seat, and you'll see it is pretty wet right there above that exhaust pipe. You can see how we got oil residue, and inevitably we got it dripping on the ground right here. So what we need to do is, from what I understand, maybe a 10mm head. There's a bolt on the top, and then there's one you can see over there on the right hand side. I'm gonna try to access this with Miss Wooda girl in our business, but we'll have some fun with it. I just ordered the gaskets. I got a deal on these. I got 4 of these, and I guess they come in a pack. But these are the valve cover gaskets, these little O-rings. And apparently, from what I understand, it's fairly common for the 650 V-Stars are known for just above that exhaust pipe. You know, it's getting pretty hot right here. That gasket gets a lot of heat damage over time. So I'm gonna try to film and get some footage of me getting in here and breaking these loose. I think we'll get this little plastic cover pulled off, and then once we pull that off, it'll give us a little bit better view to access that overall cover. Go ahead and loosen these up. Get these backed off. I should pull away in any minute. There's one of them, and there's 2. Let's see how easy this is. So I had to jump to the other side. It is one whole piece that goes over the top of the cylinder. So there's one there and one there. Now, hopefully, we should be able to kind of move this just a little bit more, so we get a little bit more space. We can see a little bit better. All right, you can see back in here. We're gonna go after this top one right here, and then jump onto the other side. We can get after that one at the bottom, and that one is the wettest. Used this little cobalt. It was 3/8 10mm, pretty small size. Ended up getting it out, and that was on the top. And then I used this little 10mm wrench on this side, and I was able to break it loose. Got it around there just like so. Now I just need to reach down there and twist that off with my fingers. This one is a bit of a tight spot, so having to really stretch those fingers. All right, it's time to pop it off. There's a little lip on the edge here. Maybe I can get that. I'm gonna use this plastic pick, see if I can't get in on this top part and just kind of pull back on it. I was able to get that pick behind that top edge, and I pulled back on it. Sure enough, it popped right off. But you can see that O-ring gasket. That's what we're gonna be changing. Whoa, so a lot of picking with a razor blade until I could finally get it out of the groove. But that thing, you can see that O-ring is dried out, and it is flattened pretty good in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, and we'll grab the new one. New one is in place. I'm gonna rub a little bit of motorcycle oil around it real quick. It's not necessarily as thick as I thought it would be, but it looks like it might work. All right, it's lathered up pretty good. Let's go ahead and slide this on back in. You can see we got our bolt back in, and we've snugged it up by hand, and now it's just a little bit of tightening. wiped it dry, and we'll have to just keep an eye on it, and we'll have to see if it continues to drip oil at the same capacity that it has the last couple weeks since we got it up and running. But we'll have to keep an eye on that lip right there. That little edge is where it really kicks off and seems to leak the most. At least that's where you notice it the most. But it's been a few days since we fixed it, and the leaks have more or less stopped. Let me see if I can get a shot here. We get down in here, you can see it's still a little on the wet side, but not nearly as what it was before. It does not appear to be leaking at the same rate that it was. But I'll leave it at that, guys. That's how we went ahead and fixed the valve cover gasket on the rear cylinder for this Yamaha V-Star. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a comment. This is going to do it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.